Hello, my name is Al-moqheem and I'm from College of Computer and Science Information in Shagra University. In this video, I will talk about how to use Expasy through Uniprot Kb Swiss Prot library. First, what is Expasy? Expasy is the bioinformatics resource portal of the SIB Swiss Institution of Bioinformatics. It is an extensible and iterative portal which provides access over 160 database and software tools developed by SIB groups and supporting a range of life science and clinical research domains, from genomic, pragmatic, and structural biology to evolution and phylogeny, systems biology, and medical chemistry. History. Expasy was created in August 1993, the dawn of the Internet era. At that time, it was referred to as Expasy, the Expert Protein Analysis System, as proteins were its primary focus. It was the first life science website and among the 150 very first websites in the world. In June 2011, it became the SIB Expasy Bioinformatics Resource Portal, diverse catalog of bioinformatics resource developed by SIB groups. The current version of Expasy was released in October 2020, following a massive user study and considering designing user experience and architectural aspects. We thank all participants for their help in shaping Expasy 3.0. Uniprot Kb Swiss Prot is extremely curated component of Uniprot Kb, produced by the Uniprot consumer. It contains hundreds of thousands of protein descriptions, including function, domain structures, subcellular replication, post-translational modifications, and functional categorized variation. Uniprot is one of the most widely used protein information resources in the world. First thing you're gonna do is to write Expasy in your browser. Then click on the first link. This is the Expasy interface. Search for any protein you like. Personally, I choose the insulin protein. Then click on search. As you can see, there are many databases, but we're gonna use Uniprot Kb. So this is the Uniprot Kb interface. And Uniprot Kb is composed of two sections. First is Swiss Prot, contains biological information reviewed by expert biocurators. And second is Tremble, automatically annotated protein sequences. You can also choose one sequence and then click on blast, but we will not gonna do that. Instead, we're gonna choose the multiple sequences. Here I chose the human, rat, mouse, bovine, and pig. After you finish choosing your organism, you're gonna click on align. It's going to take a few seconds. The result is consisting of alignment, tree, and result info. First is the alignment. Here are the sequences aligned together. A dash indicates of a gap, missing letters, one dot, somewhat similar, two dots, very similar, and finally a star, identical. Also, we can highlight some annotations. Here I highlighted the helix and the domain, which is the part of a protein that never changes. And from the amino acid properties, I will highlight the similarity. The darker the gray, the greater the similarity is. And if you're wondering how to choose your sequences, I'm going to give you a tip. It's better to choose from 10 to 50 sequences and never over 50 sequence. And it's better to choose it from Swiss Prot. It's better be reviewed. Second is the tree. It shows what is more similar or closer to what. And you can also highlight the taxonomy. And here we have the most similar to the human is the bovine, and then the rat and mouse, and then finally is the pig. Finally is the result information. Here you have the query sequences. and the date of job execution, job identifier, running time, identical positions, identity, similar positions, program default parameters. You can download your result from clicking on download and choosing the format that you want. Is it text or FASTA or JOL view? And then choose the file, is it compressed or uncompressed? And then click on go.